Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI channel. Today I'm excited to give you a quick update on the latest price action of Kaspa. It's been quite a ride and it's just hit 14 cents again, marking an incredible 35% over the last 7 days. Kaspa has shown remarkable growth, boasting a staggering 2001% surge over the last 12 months. In this video, I want to delve into the technicals with you and discuss the potential for the next target prices. This information can be invaluable if you are considering selling part of your stake or a re-entry for a long run. Personally, I'm sticking to my long-term holding strategy. Additionally, I'll be sharing some insights in the predictions from analysts regarding Kaspa trajectory in the upcoming bull run. Stick around until the end while I reveal how I plan to profit from the latest Kaspa ASICs and streamline the process with minimal effort for a faster ROI. There's a lot to cover, but I will get right to the point. Let's get into it. All right, and finally the wait is over. This downtrend that started here back in the all-time high in November last year was finally broken here on Wednesday last week, right? Wednesday the 7th, it was broken to the upside. So it felt like eternal, right? We reached an all-time high here in November 19. That was 15.48, and then we try again, and then we retrace back all the way to 9 cents, 9.79 cents, and we touched that support line multiple times, but it never went below that line. That's good. So that's why I had the support there. I say, well, if we break this, we're gonna probably be waiting longer, but it never broke the support line that I had in mind, and it tried to break this orange line here, this downtrend orange line here. You see one time, but it never closed above. 1, 2, it touched, then 3, it broke to the up, but it never closed above that. So let me mark this to make it easy for you here. Highlighter, there it is. So here 1, 2, 3, it went above, but it didn't close, and then finally broke here. So now we're in this. So the most probable scenario now is that we're gonna reach the all-time, this resistance level that I have it here marked as 0.1499, so 15 cents. We're gonna reach 15 cents, probably retrace, try, and then probably we're gonna break to the upside and continue this pattern. So let's review how we got here and where we can go from here, right? So we started way back here in, let's see here, this 5-wave pattern. These are Elliott wave patterns, the big yellow lines. These are the big patterns. Started way back here in June last year, and we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is over, right? And now what's gonna happen is we're gonna go all the way to a 5th, which is this, and that's what we're trying to estimate right now, right? That's what I'm trying to estimate. So, and each of these yellow big waves are made out of 5s always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now probably we're gonna do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna be doing the same pattern. All right, but so how we gonna estimate where we gonna conclude these 5 yellow big yellow wave patterns, right? We're trying to estimate this 5th wave and the conclusion, and then we're gonna start a new wave again. All right, so in order to do that, we're gonna go to this trend-based Fibonacci extension. We're gonna use that tool. I'm gonna click there, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go all the way from here. I'm gonna say from the beginning of wave 1 to the end of wave 3, and then retrace all the way to wave 4 here, all the way to wave 4. There it is. And then there are more, you know, there are very, I mean, multiple scenarios, but one of the most probable one is like the 5th wave is, let me get back to my highlighter, is a 61.8% of wave 1 plus wave 3. So it could probably be 17.95, so almost 18 cents. That's one scenario. The other scenario is that it will be 1.68% of wave 1 plus wave 3. So it will be 31.8, so 31.8 cents, which will be awesome. And that could be, and this is the most probable one for me. It will be a wave 5. So wave 5th will be 0.318 cents. Now, how are we gonna get there? Well, first we need to break resistance again, and it is the all-time high probably. We're gonna go like this, bounce a couple of times, then break, and then finally do the 5 waves, right? That's how we're gonna get there probably. So now there you have the two most probable scenarios. There are other scenarios. Wave 5 could be, let me tell you wave 5 what we can get. Let's go back to Elliott waves here. Wave 5 could be equivalent to wave 1, but the way it's looking right now is already probably past wave 1. So that's one way. Wave 5 equal wave 1 in terms of length. And the other one is wave, which is the one that I'm telling you is 0.618 or 1.618 of wave 1 plus wave 5, and that's what I'm expecting. Another scenario is that wave 5 equals wave 1 100%. It's already too late. It's already passing that. And there are others that are not that probable, but those are the ones we're probably gonna be looking at. And if you think you are too late to buy Kaspa, think about that again, because it just broke this downtrend and it's gonna keep going up. That's what I'm seeing here in the chart. I'm here for the long run, but you can time this Fibonacci retracement points, and you can use them as re-entry or sell points as well, right? Depends on your launch, on your strategy. But I'm not trading Kaspa. I'm trading the market, like the S&P market, and you saw those on other videos. Those I'm trading, but these are for the long run for me. But I'm just I always like to see where I'm going, in terms of Fibonacci and long-term targets. So I'm seeing right now that we're probably gonna hit 1.68 of the wave 1 and 3, so we're gonna get to 31 cents. That's the next. Well, we'll see. Sometimes wave 5 can get truncated, so that if that happens, I'll post another video and let you know. But that's what I'm seeing right now, and that's my target right now. For the long run, I even found this. I'll share it with you. This analyst. Let's see the currencies. That's another one, guys. For news BTC, right? This analyst here. This is an article by Ronaldo Marquez. Kaspa to hit $3 in explosive bull run. Expert predicts 2,650% surge. So that's some analysts predicting $2 to $3. Kaspa $2 to $3, which will make Kaspa probably in the top 10 by market cap, right? So here it says crypto analyst Dan DeRuber expressed optimism for Kaspa future, offering compelling reasons for the coin's potential growth. One of the key factors is Kaspa fair launch, which is true, is fair launch, meaning no cash tokens were reserved for exchange listing. This bullish characteristic becomes apparent as Kaspa is not listed on major exchanges as Binance, Coinbase, and OKX. If these exchanges decide to list Kaspa, the rover states that they will need to acquire cash tokens from the open market, thereby increasing the demand and liquidity. So if that were to happen, these big exchanges were to list Kaspa, then there will be extreme high demand for the liquidity, and they will shoot the price. Price will shoot, and he's estimating 2 to 3. In terms of mining Kaspa, I'm thinking of getting an ASIC here. So if you go to, I'm using BT miners, bt-miners.com. Go check them out. They just released this Ivy Link BM KS Max. Uses 3400 watts, but it produces 10.5 terahash. It's a beast. They have it at around $12,000, but the ROI is 4.5 months. Incredible. Now, this ROI will change. The more participants in the network, the more rewards are distributed, more participants. So usually the ROI is not what you see here. It tends to be longer, right? And you have to take that into account, because profitability usually decreases with time. But now that Kaspa keeps increasing, we're back at, look at this, 89.22. This beast will produce 89.22 dollars a day. That will make 4.5 as the price of today in terms of ROI, which is amazing. Now, what BT miners offer is you can have them host your ASIC. Like for instance, this let's go back here. That's the other one I was looking at, the Bitmain Antminer KS3, which is 9.4 terahash. Let's click over here. They have different configurations: 7.3, 7.6, 7.9. But if we were to use this 7.3, 14,299, almost 300. That will produce 78.44 a day, which is an ROI of 6.0. So 6 months you get your money back, and then it's all profits, right? That's for the February batch. But if you wanna have them host, you just click hosting here, and you can pay 12 months. This is an altcoin, so you pay 12 months. You click here. Let's go back to that one, the KS3. The KS3 9.4. It cost a monthly payment of $252, but you gotta pay the initial payment is actually 3 months of electricity, which is 806 plus $50 of setup, which make a total for the month of the 12 months for the year is 3,074. So you gotta include that in your total cost, right? So let's do the math. The calculator here. Let's go back to the miner. Here, all miners. Sorry, here. There it is. So these. Let's go by the bigger one. So here, let's do an example here. 16,300. So 16. Let's put that on the calculator. 16,299 plus the hosting fee, which will be for the 9.4 option here. Click here 9.4. That will be a total of 3,074. So let's do plus 3,074. Excuse me, that's 19,373. And this miner produce, let's do the it makes 77 a day. So let's do that calculation divided by 77, hold on, 78.77. That's 245 days divided by 30. That's a total of 8 months, 8.19 months. Not bad at all. So that's my plan for mining Kaspa, to keep accumulating Kaspa. Let's go back here. So there you have. That's the latest price action of Kaspa and what I'm been watching, and we'll have to see how this wave 5th unveils. I want to keep posting you updates and see how it develops itself, right? And if we're following the 5-wave pattern and small wave pattern up to this 31 cents. All right, there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.